So I have been trying to solve my average view duration, and the other issue I've been trying to solve as well is getting weekly content up on my main channel, which is, I mean, I'm doing it every other month at this point, right? So as I was reflecting today and trying to problem solve this particular issue, I was able to solve both of those in one thing, I think. So at the beginning, what I'm going to do is, rather than making a what I call a long form video, which is really not that long, like 8 or 12 minutes or something like that, rather than making a 5+ minute video, I'm going to take that video idea and I'm going to break it down into a series of videos. And so let's say a 6-minute video becomes 3 2-minute videos, or 2 3-minute videos. What that'll do is that'll give me a lot of on-the-ground practice time for learning how to edit, refining my processes, but doing it in such a small way that it lets me gain traction fast. That's number one. And then number two, by lowering my video time, let's say from a 6-minute video, which might actually not be the best video, right? Because I'm still new to this whole thing. If I lower that to, let's say, a 3-minute video, well, let's say that I capture my audience's attention in that 6-minute video, like in 30 seconds. So they watch 30 seconds of a 6-minute video. So my average view duration at that point would be, let's see, 50, 25, what is that? 1 out of 6. I got to do the math here. Let me make my math a little bit easier for me because my brain isn't working. So let's say I make a 10-minute video and they watch 1 minute out of my 10-minute video. Well, then that's a 10% average view duration, which is low. But if I take that 10-minute video, and if they watched, let's say it was a 5-minute video, and they still watched just 1 minute of that video, well, then my average view duration isn't 10%, but in that case, it's 20%. Let's say they watched 1 minute of my 2-minute video, then my average view duration jumps up to 50%. Now, what I realized is by making my video shorter, it's a really big win for now, for me, and then eventually I'll be able to iterate on that. 1, it lets me put out content more quickly. 2, it lets me refine my processes more quickly. 3, once I get into a good habit of that, then I could build and build. Then number 4, what it allows me to do is it helps my average view duration. Assuming I get better at it, it helps my average view duration go up. So then rather than having a long video for my audience to watch, I'll give them a series of short videos. And once I create those short videos, then I can ping them into check out the next video, which is right over here. Check out the next video, which is right over here. So the current video I'm editing is the real reason why time management fails. And that video gives me 3 sections as to why time management fails, because it doesn't address energy, it doesn't address attention, and it doesn't address decision management. Well, that whole 8-minute video has those 3 things in it. I can take that, on the other hand, and I can chunk it up into 3 videos. Reason number 1, the real reason time management fails, number 1. Reason number 1, or the real reason time management fails, number 1. The real reason time management fails, number 2. And I can do that with a quick introduction, make it punchy and short. So I think this is hopefully going to be a new hack that I try. We'll see how it goes. But that's it for now.